In Paris, every corner promises a new adventure for families. Beyond the landmarks lies the joy of cooking. Join our 2.5-hour macaron en famille class, perfect for 6 to 12-year-olds with an adult guardian to learn the quintessential treat of Paris. Or participate in our hands-on patisserie en famille class, where flour flies and laughter fills the air. In 2.5 hours working together in pairs, you'll craft beautiful French desserts and make every delectable moment count. It's not just about baking, it's about creating memories, one delicious French treat at a time. For a savoury twist, we answer that age-old question of what's for lunch with our cuisine en famille class. A flavourful activity where 9 to 15-year-olds and their guardians whip up classic French menus in a 4-hour bonding journey. With the expert guidance of your chef, you'll be transforming produce from our local market to a stunning 3-course French meal. Each spot in our en famille classes is sold in duos, 1 parent and 1 child. If you're booking for an odd number, as with families of 3, book an additional duo spot and don't miss out on the fun in our cosy classes.